Let me tell you, child, this hair is gorgeous. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Palesa aka Palesa M, and welcome to this brand new video. I know you guys have missed me. I've missed you guys too. Like, I can't remember the last time I sat and, kind of talk to you guys. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Put the notification bell so you know when I drop a new video. Today's video is all about this wig. Yeah, I know it doesn't look like I'm wearing a wig, right? So I am wearing a upart wig, and it's my first time wearing a wig of this kind, so I was very nervous about it, but I tried it and not bad for a first attempt. This is some very gorgeous hair from Yolissa Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for sending me this gorgeous unit. I'm going to show you how I achieved this look and how I got this hair to look so good, and I hope you enjoy the video. So the hair came in this bag. It's written Yolissa 100% human hair. It came with a wig cap, which I won't need, some eyelashes, which I'm going to wear, and this is what the hair looks like. I did go ahead and co-wash this hair as I usually would, but it is a body wave wig, and that is why I'm going to curl it. This is what the wig looks like. It's got 3 clips at the top to secure it in a U shape, and then it's also got the 3 combs and the bands like a normal wig would have. So I'm going to go ahead and style this off my head. I've put it on my mannequin head, and I am just going to spritz some heat protectant, put some serum over it, and then I'm going to do some simple barrel curls because I do want a bit of wave in this hair. I'm not going to be cutting any layers in this hair right now because I want to show you exactly how the hair looks like from the bag, but after wearing it the first time, I definitely am going to cut some layers into it just to give it like a more voluminous look. You know, curls always look better when you layer your hair. I'm simply just wrapping the hair around my curling iron, and then I'm going to clip it so it cools. This just helps your curls like form a better shape and hold better. So this is what the wig looks like once I have completed curling the entire wig. And now it's time to put it on. So my hair is washed. I think this is 2 days after I washed my hair. I think that will be okay. I hope so, because I don't want the parting looking too greasy. But what I need to do is I need to part my hair in a U shape because I am going to be leaving out a bit of hair so I can blend the wig in very nicely. So I'm just sectioning out some hair, and then I'm going to braid out that leave out so it's out of the way when I am actually installing the wig. Now, once that is done, I'm going to just wrap my braid in like a bantu knot, and I'm going to clip it up away so I can keep working. I am going to be sectioning out a bit of my hairline so that I can blend the edges into like the wig. So I'm just going to section out a little bit of hair there in the front. Mind you, I've never done this before, you guys. This is my first time, so if I do make mistakes, I'll know how to do better the next time. So once I've sectioned the leave outs out, I'm going to quickly do 2 braids at the back with the remaining hair just so I can pin it up, and then we can put the wig on. I still wish I was like one of those girls who could braid their own hair, you know, but I can't. I'm going to give it one last attempt, but I'm very bad at trying to cornrow my own hair. The best I can do is braids, but anyway. So I'm putting the U-part wig on, and as you can see, I am just trying to secure those clips like into the edges of my hair. I think this would work so much better if you know how to like cornrow your hair. Then you can make one very thin U cornrow, and the wig clips will sit so much better. But I'm going to finesse it, and it is going to sit very nicely. So the aim is to lay the wig very flat, let there be no bumps. Just make sure you're pulling it and it's sitting right. And once that is done, I'm going to take down the curls by just removing the clips. The curls are holding quite nicely. I think they're going to make some nice waves. This wig does curl very well. I'm so impressed. The hair is so soft and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm crossing fingers that my hair will blend into this wig once I've straightened it. So I've gone and undone the braids from the leave outs that I braided out, and I'm just going to sort of stretch them because I am post relaxer and I do have some kitchens, but I'm just going to carefully straighten that out. And because I did curl the hair and it's sort of body wave, I'm going to then add a bit of a flip or a curl to the ends, just so I can roll it in that it blends into the wig. And that's all I'm doing. Please remember, if you're going to apply heat to your hair, please use a heat protectant spray or serum just to protect your hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat it on the other side. I was running out of time, so I did not get to do my edges, but like I said, this is the first time, and next time I'm going to do better. And that is what the wig looks like. Like, I'm not mad at it. It literally like looks like this hair is growing from my scalp, and I'm like, yes. So that is it for this wig install. Please let me know in the comment section if you would try a upart wig. Let me know if this wig also looks good on me, because it's the first time I'm trying it, and already I've like sort of noted out how I can improve the install. But I think for a first attempt it looks really good. I love the fact that my hair melts so well with the wig hair. Like, obviously you can see there's my hair, but the texture after straightening it blends so well with its hair. But also this hair can hold a curl. I'm very impressed by that. It took one swipe with my curling iron and the curls just held together. Absolutely love this, because I can actually like wear it in a bun. This hair is long, you guys. Like, I can wear this as like a pony or whatever, you know. I also like that this is such a quick wig to install, so I can throw it on and go. There's no closure, there's no this. Love the fact that I can take this off at night and put it on the mannequin head, and tomorrow morning, boom, put it on in minutes and I am good to go. So yeah, very happy with this wig. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for sending me this gorgeous upart unit. I am going to leave all the details for you in the description box. Always check the description box, because we do leave coupon codes for you so you can save some coins. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave me a nice comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next one.